Welcome to Educational Neuroscience, why attention is key. I repeat, Educational Neuroscience, why attention is key. It is extremely important for me to discuss this topic today. My name is Muyo Adedayo. I am a lecturer. I'm also an educational neuroscientist. The reason why attention is key, to learning is because without attention, there is no learning. No matter your content expertise, no matter your academic qualifications, as a teacher, as a lecturer, or as an individual who engages in maybe the dissemination of information, it is important for every one of us to understand this fact that one of our primary responsibilities as we go out executing our pedagogic kind of duties is for us to always make sure that attention is at the back of our mind, that our learners are attentive in the class. The reason is this: in our brains, there are different circuits or neurocircuits. That these circuits are like kind of systems that are responsible for each behavior, each activity that we know how to really execute. It is the responsibility of the neurocircuit to help us, to be able to actually carry out certain functions effectively, as sane and as sane human beings. So in the education sector too, there's something called the attention circuit. The attention circuit, comprises the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex is this. It is also referred to as the executive, as the CEO of the brain. This is the frontal cortex. Part of this, of the frontal cortex, houses what? The prefrontal cortex. And then another kind of organ or subcortical organ that is responsible for attention, or that is part of the attention neurocircuit or circuit, is called the thalamus. The thalamus is that organ in the brain that is responsible for the reception of external signals. But when we pay attention, the thalamus at that moment tries not to take in other kind of signal from our environment. It focuses itself. It pays attention to what the student is doing at that particular time. Then one other structure or subcortical structure that is responsible, that is part of the neurocircuit of attention, is called the reticular activating system. So as a neuroeducator, as a lecturer, as a teacher, please, we must not forget this, that as soon as we enter the learning environment, as soon as we enter the classroom or the lecture hall, we should do what? Make sure that our learners pay attention. That the more attention they pay, the greater their understanding of whatever topic that we are teaching to them at that moment. It is important for us to make sure that every student pays attention to whatever we're doing at that moment. So knowing this, having this neuroscience kind of insight will make our pedagogy, will make our teaching easier, because it is our primary responsibility to make sure that every student pays attention. The more attention, the more academic aptitude that the student end up having at the end of our teaching or at the end of our lecture. Thank you so much for your time, and as I see you in the next video.